I turn a cool-down chick into a drop-top nympho. The blue ghost rider, yeah, that's my kinfo. When Nas with her friends got all of them open, that's what Ricky called three-wheel motion. Right away, I'm on Nas's baby. The same sex drive, I'm fucking crazy. Now drop it down like it's on them switches, so I can pick it up like J-Rock bitches.
I'm fresh up in my Chuck Taylors, so which one to take home? Cause the club is full of them haters, cup is full of Patron. So I call this chick to my table, what she like to sip on. And the way I'm tipping that waiter got her thinking I'm what she wants. She started popping and locking, dropping, she's body. By the way she bouncing and hopping, with a thought she had hydraulics. She be making it roll with be out of control with the way she stopped and started front, back, side to side. Shorty, can you hit it for me one more time? Girl, you know I like it when you take it real low, like baby, you be hitting them switches like you at the car show, like girl, the way you drop it to the floor and you pick it up slow, like baby, can you hit it one more time for me? Show me how you low ride. Now we bout to shake to my speezy. It was time that we leave, yeah. Cause me and the girl about to get freaky. When Valley come with my keys, now she's reaching over my shoulder, shorty, touching all over me. So we stopped and pulled the car over, and now we both up in the backseat. She started popping and locking, dropping, she's body. Ooh, she bouncing and hopping with a thought she had hydraulics. And she be making it roll and be out of control with the way she stopped and started front, back, side to side. Shorty, can you hit it for me one more time? Girl, you know I like it when you take it real low, like sit. Baby, you be hitting them switches like you at the car show, like sit. Girl, the way you drop it to the floor and you pick it up slow, like baby, can you hit it one more time for me? Show me how you low ride. Girl, I like that booty, it's Maximus. They should call you Jessica Maximus. From the grill to the rack, like my favorite Cadillac. What you sitting on? Tell me what them stats be like.
32, 24, 41. 5'2", pushing 121.
She the one. Come on, pretty little mommy, back it up for me. Drop it down slow. Hit them switches just how I
My drop it down low chick, oh yeah, that's her. Shoulder length hair, skin color is scissor. Body butterwork bottle, I think I might make her wifey to the minute that it's time to replace her. She get attention every place that I take her. Bitches wanna fuck her just as much as my niggas. So catch baby in the Maserati with J Blue in that Lamborghini behind me. What?
when you take it real low, like baby, you be hitting them switches like you at the car